Okay, how to add a new user to the database. As an administrator of the system, you'll be able to go to settings, and in the initial settings section, you will find the users menu. And here we can add any user to the system just by hitting create button. We need to enter the full name of the user. We need to enter email and phone number. And we have additional properties like mobile user, if he uses the mobile application or not. And we also assign the role to this user. Depending on the role, the user will see different menus and different documents in the system. For example, if it will be field technician, he will only see his particular delivery tickets and field tickets where he has been assigned by dispatcher or general manager. On the other side, if we have an accountant will only see probably the invoices, and those roles are very customizable, so you can assign multiple roles to one person or just a particular role to one person. And we can set up the password for this user. And after that, the user will be able to change his password by himself. We just save and close the user card, and new user will be added to the system. If you experience some issues or difficulties with adding new users to the system, just send us quick request with necessity to add a new user, and we will do that easily for you.